Mr. Livingston, this is Vinny Wells at Tameron Hyundai. I want to show you the Palisade that you asked about, the SE model. Comes equipped with this beautiful honeycomb grille, wraparound headlights, LED daytime running lights. Comes complete with the lane keeping assist, backup collision warning, as well as the forward collision warning, which also comes with the pedestrian detection. We have an 8-inch audio display, comes complete with Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, and it's also Bluetooth compatible. This beautiful vehicle comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron Hyundai we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. I'm Vinny Wells. Give me a call at 334-313-7131. Come down to see us at Tameron Hyundai, and you're gonna love the way you're treated.